Hello guys, it's Alison. I want to give you my thoughts on the GunBot. I started using the GunBot about 10 days ago, which is the 20th of September 2017. And just my view on what I think about the trading bot. Now, what you may know is that, you know that trading cryptocurrency is quite, it is very risky because it is difficult to pinpoint where the market is going. Now, I mean, I got to find out about this bot from one of my subscribers who engaged constructively with me in one of my videos, and he actually mentioned this bot. So I went to check it out and I was quite impressed with what I read about the bot. So I decided to buy the bot and I've used it for 10 days. And in this review, I'm going to show you what I've done with the bot, the kind of trading I've done with the bot, and what my thoughts are and some of my results. Okay, so let me get this screen out of the way and try and get you to right. So this is the bot, as you can see on your screen. It looks a bit complicated, but it is actually not complicated. As you know, these videos are not scripted. I just you're going to get lots of ums and ahs, but I'm just trying to help out somebody new there who may be looking to buy or improve their cryptocurrency trading. So the fact of the matter is that when you want to go and trade cryptocurrency, for example, this is my Bitfinex account in here, my Bitfinex account, and you look at a trend like this and you say, this currency goes up and then it comes down. So the ideal thing, what you want to do, you want to be able to buy when the currency or commodity or asset is down. You want to be able to buy, and then you want to sell when it is up, when the price has gone up. But then the thing is, do you then stay by the computer every day, every hour to start watching these charts when it goes up or down? For me, that is no time freedom. So in my last video, I did talk about using EMA, 13 and 14 day EMAs to determine your buy and sell zone. But as you can see from this chart here, based on that my last video, this is the sell zone we are in right now. This is the sell zone. But how do you know where to sell? Because the issue I was finding was that if it tells me to sell and then I sell and the price keeps rising, I get caught out of the market. Okay, so it was becoming a bit frustrating because it's very difficult to predict the market. It's so sentimental, this market. So to avoid those problems, let me see. I think I had an outline here I want to talk about, so I don't just go out of point. Right, so okay, let's see that. Right, so I was talking about timing actually, and I've mentioned some indicators. So I try to use the EMA. I'll be referring to that chart every now and then. So I try to use the EMA, and okay, you know what your sell zone is, and then when this blue line crosses over, that's your buy zone. But where exactly do you buy? I then brought in the RSI, the relative strength index, and I learned that when the relative strength index crosses 70, that means that the asset is overbought, and because when price starts rising, people are buying, and then when it drops down to below 30, it's oversold. So that's a trend reversal. I've also used, so this is the EMA. I've also used Bollinger Bands. You can always put this on here. I've also used Bollinger Bands, which is very useful indicator as well. And again, with the Bollinger Bands, when this candlestick breaks the top band, it signals a trend reversal. But as you can see in this case, it goes up, it falls, and then it keeps rising. So if I was using Bollinger Bands on my own and this trend goes up here, I will sell, and then I'm not able to buy some of the items that I've sold. But ideally, let me show you a true representation of Bollinger Band. So you can see this bottom bit here this bottom bit here. Oh my God, hang on a minute. That was too big. Okay, so you can see with this red candle where my mouse is, when it crosses this bottom, it tells you that a trend reversal is imminent, so it's going to keep rising. So this is a convenient point to buy. So with Bollinger Band you can buy, but does that mean you have to stay up all night waiting for the chart to change? And you really don't want that. So this was all the issues that made me seriously consider when the gentleman who made a comment on one of my videos mentioned a trading bot, and that was where I got to find, I did some research and I went and I found the trading bot which he mentioned. So I bought this bot for 0.1 Bitcoin. If you go on the website, I will leave a link below this video if you're interested in automating your trade and being able to make some trades while you sleep, because with the bot which I've just showed you, you set some parameters, and then if you want me to make a video on how to set up the bot, let me know. If there is any specific areas of the videos of the bot operation you want me to make, let me know. I'm actually hosting this bot on a virtual Windows machine, on a Windows VPS, so it runs 24/7. Again, if you want a link to the VPS and how to set it up, just let me know. Just to keep this video short, I will address specific issues with whatever questions you raise. Just let me know and I can make a video to try and answer them so other people will benefit from them. Okay, so this video is just to share my results with you guys and show you how the bot is working. So this is my Bittrex account. I'm just rotating about 0.5 Bitcoin. I say like a working capital, just trying to test out this bot. Okay, so if you want to see what kind of trade I have done today, let me show you today. So you can see, if I move that over there, you can see that the bot has done, each row is 10. So today is the 30th of September. You can see starting from about very early this morning, it was already trading for me. You see, I was asleep when the bot was doing all these trades. So what happens is you get an API key from Bittrex, and then you send that API key to the owner of to the creator of the bot, Gunther, a very, very clever programmer. He would then program your API key into your copy of the bot, and then he sends it to you. That's after you buy. So if you want a video on how to buy, how to get set up, just let me know and I can make you a separate video for that. But I wanted to just show you that this bot, the GunBot, is probably one of the best bots out there. It's not a scam, and it really does what it says on the tin. Okay, so as you can see from the 30th, and I've been trading with this bot now since the 20th of 20th. Let's see, next 20th of September I've been trading with this bot. Let's see, last. So 21st of September I've been trading with this bot. Okay, you can see all these trades. Let me make it like 100 per row. Let's see. You can see all the way down. All these are all bot trades, right? So from the 21st of September I've been trading with this bot, and you can see it's been buying. Let me take a coin pair just to demonstrate to you what the bot can do. Let me just take a coin pair and show you. Again, there are other things like what coin do you select, how do you pick a coin. If you want me to know, make a video on that, just let me know. So let me pick BTC Lisk and show you what the bot has been doing. So my order history is going to show up now. So as you can see here, from not that one, from the 21st of September, this was a manual trade, 600 Lisk I did some time back. So you can see the bot bought some Lisk for me at 148,000 Satoshi, and then sold it at 149. He then went and rebought at 151,000 Satoshis and then sold them at 154,000. He went and rebought at 144, sold at 147,000, rebought at 140, sold at 144, and today he's already done 2 trades today. So he's already sold what he bought before on the 29th, and then he sold them at around 450 today, 449 today for no, it sold it and then rebought at 138. If we go to the bot, this is Lisk. If we go to the bot, it will tell you it is waiting to sell this amount. So come back to the bot and we go to my Lisk setup, and if you see here at the very bottom, you can see it tells you it's waiting to sell. Okay, so I'm using the step gain strategy for Lisk. There are various strategies you can use, but most of my setups are usually Bollinger Band strategy. Most of them are Bollinger Band I'm using to trade with the bot. Okay, so the bot does work. It does what it says on the tin, and it is a system that can enable you to trade cryptocurrency and make money while you sleep. Okay, so if you want to get this bot, or you have any further questions or any issues about, you want to have more knowledge about this bot, just let me know and I'll be happy to answer the questions. You see, I've already gone around 11 minutes just this video now. So that is just my quick review of the bot. If I have missed anything, I'll be making more update videos. This is just my 10-day review. Setting up the bot is quite easy. We have an amazing community on Telegram and on other forums on the internet. I chose this particular bot because of the great community support and the fact that I am now able to trade crypto. I don't have to be by my computer. Today alone, this bot has made, let me go to my orders. It has made, how many trades has it done today? Let's have a quick look. I will show you. That is 10 per row. And, all these trades were done while I was away from my computer. So this is 10 per row. I go to the second page and it has done 13 trades today, mixture of buys and sells, buys and sells. And the vast majority of them, in fact, to be honest with you, 99% of all of them are all winning trades. So it's buying at a low price and selling at a higher price. So the GunBot works. If you want to get a copy for yourself, I would encourage you to do so. If you don't want to stay by your computer 247 looking at the screen, waiting for the chart to change, just leave it to the bot. It's been very well coded. I'm still using version 3.32, which works for me. I have no intention of just changing it. Okay, so that's my review of the GunBot, the crypto bot that enables you to trade cryptocurrency on autopilot, and it can make you money while you sleep. So I will leave a couple of links below this video if you want to get started, or if you have any questions at all, I'll be happy to answer, just to help out the newbie among us. Again, I've always said it in my videos, I'm not an expert. I'm still learning the cryptocurrency trade, and relatively quite new in the crypto space. And yeah, so if you have any questions, I'll be very happy to take them and explain a bit more. But as you can see with my results, the bot is doing an amazing job buying and selling crypto for me on my behalf when I'm not by my computer. Okay, so once again, it's Allison. I'm signing out, and I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. I will appreciate it, and you can share with people who you believe would benefit from this video. There is also a bell sign by the subscribe if you want to be notified when I make videos like this. Okay, so if you don't like it, hit this like button and tell me what you don't like about it, and that will help me to make even better videos to help out members of our community. The thing I like about the crypto space is that there are lots of people trying to help each other out. Okay, so I look forward to your questions if you have any, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.